Bitch, I'm flexing. I ain't got time to be texting.
Hey boo, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another episode of my Skip the Salon series where I show you guys glueless and affordable wigs. These wigs are perfect for beginners. They are cost friendly and they really require no hard work at all. So today we are working with ISEEHAIR. They sent me over a bomb glueless wig to show you guys. This is the box it comes in. Oh, they have it wrapped up really nice. Okay, ISEEHAIR is the first company that I've seen do this. Okay, so here's the wig, and inside the box, hold on one second. I did order an extra bundle to add to my wig because I do like my wigs a little bit fuller. So here's that extra 24-inch straight bundle. So inside of the little baggie inside, we have an elastic band. They did send me an extra cap to show you guys exactly what cap their glueless wigs are made on. And it just looks like this. It's, I believe, 7 by 5 lace. And this is how the cap looks in the back. It comes with removable combs and it has like their company name in the back as well. The cap does have the ears cut out for comfortable wear. So I have an extra comb and elastic band in this little compartment. We have some lashes. These are really cute. A wig cap, the HD wig cap. And this is just a pamphlet to show you guys what kind of cap it comes on. And this is a really nice size and good quality bonnet as well. So let's get into the wig. So I did order their glueless straight wig. So right out of the pack, this is how it looks. Hair is really soft. I am gonna have to straighten it. This is how the lace is looking. The part is already in the middle. The lace is already cut and the knots are already bleached. Now looking at these knots, they really bleached this wig. Some companies say their knots are bleached and the knots be still there, but these look really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this bundle to my wig and I will be right back. So this is how the lace is looking. First impression. And it looks really good. Like it's glueless. And it melts right into the skin with no glue. I didn't even put any lace tint on it.
Such a masterpiece. Is that all for free? Yeah. Bedroom fashion week.
So I think I'm going to add some baby hairs on the side. I was going to do a no baby hair look. Baby hairs still have me in a chokehold, so I'm just going to add baby hairs to the sides, on both sides, and then I'll come back and straighten it. So I got my baby hairs molded. I'm going to melt the lace in with just some mousse. Just like that. Push this hairline back and over. And we're just basically molding the hairline so when we take off the elastic band, we literally don't have anything else to do with the hairline. You want to tie your band down as tight as you can take it, and we're going to let it sit on for maybe 30 minutes. This is how the actual hair is looking. I am gonna have to straighten it because it's just not as bone straight as I would want it to be. I'm gonna take my Silk Out Mist by My Line. She's already stitched it, and I'm going to spray a little bit and then flat iron and soak everything out. And I love the Silk Out Mist because It does not make your hair oily. It just adds a very nice light shine. I'm gonna take it section by section and soak it out just so everything is really, really sleek.
No one there but me, and I can tell your body is brand new, brand new. When you try your little shit on it, you ask me how to play it like piano, piano. And I tell you that I love it, but you still end up changing like channel, channel. You belong inside a gallery, you talking nigga up like Van Gogh, Van Gogh. Gotta turn up with my bitch, yeah. I've been out here running wild like imagination. I don't understand the negative connotation. I got bodies under me, but they cold cases. Number wasn't never safe for me to erase it. Yo. All I wanna do is turn up with my new bitch. Love it when you look me in my eyes and tell me lies. I'm not surprised, I'm not surprised, yeah. And I can tell your body is brand new, brand new. When you try your little shit on it, you ask me how to play it like piano, piano. And I tell you that I love it, but you still end up changing like channel, channel. You belong inside a gallery, you talking nigga up like Van Gogh, Van Gogh. Gotta turn up with my bitch, yeah.
And this is what we're looking like. Like, the hair is super silky, super long. Comes like down to like the top of my hips. Love the density, like it's perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna take the band off and see how the lace is looking. Ooh, I tied this band tight, and it looks really, really good. Really, really good. The HD lace is HD lacing. The hair is super straight and silky, like shine thanks to Shari Stitched It Silk Out Mist. Make sure you guys go pick you up some. Fully stocked on my website. Like I said, this is glueless. I can literally take my comb up under here and it still looks really, really, really good. If you made it this far, since I'm wearing gray, make sure you guys comment the word gray along with whatever you liked about the video. Also what you would like to see. I am doing wig giveaways, guys, so the comments down below and the keywords in each video that I give, it lets me know who watches my videos all the way through, and it lets me know who to consider when I'm doing my giveaways. So as always, thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button, like this video for more videos. I will be doing more hair videos, of course. I will be doing try on hauls, I'll be doing styling videos, lookbooks. So more videos are to come. Stay tuned and I will see you guys in my next video.